Hello friends, I'm John, and welcome to my channel, Fluent English Secrets. I hope you're all doing well and enjoying your English learning journey. Today's topic is quite exciting: the secret habit of people who speak fluent English. Yes, today I'll share the one powerful habit that every fluent English speaker follows. A habit that you can also build into your daily routine to take your English to the next level. So, grab your notebook, sit back, and relax, because this lesson might completely change the way you learn English. Chapter 1. Fluency is not a talent. It's a habit. Most people think fluent speakers are just naturally gifted. But the truth is, they've built consistent habits. They've made English a part of their everyday lives. They think in English, they listen to English content, and they try to express their thoughts in English every single day. Fluency doesn't grow in classrooms. It grows through small, daily actions. Just like muscles grow through regular exercise, your fluency muscles grow through regular English practice. So the first lesson is clear. Don't wait for motivation. Build a habit. Chapter 2. The real secret: shadowing. Now, let's talk about the secret habit itself. It's called shadowing, and it's used by almost every fluent English speaker around the world. Shadowing means listening to English and speaking along at the same time. Imagine you're listening to a podcast. Instead of just listening quietly, you repeat every sentence with the speaker. You don't need to be perfect. Your goal is to capture the rhythm and flow of the language. This habit activates 3 skills at once: listening, speaking, and thinking. When these 3 work together, your brain starts to process English automatically. You stop translating in your head and start reacting in English. That's how real fluency begins. So, from today, make shadowing your 15-minute daily routine. This one small habit can completely transform your English speaking level. Chapter 3. The 15-minute routine. Now, you might be thinking, John, I don't have much time for practice every day. No worries, you only need 15 minutes. Here's a simple plan. 1. Choose a short audio or video, 2 to 3 minutes long. 2. Listen to it once carefully, just to understand the meaning. 3. Play it again and speak along with the speaker. Shadow it. 4. Repeat this daily for 15 minutes. That's it. Within 1 week, you'll notice improvement. Your mouth will move more easily. Your hesitation will reduce, and your confidence will start to grow. Remember, consistency beats perfection. A little every day is far better than a lot once in a while. Chapter 4. Mirror practice. Speak to yourself. Here's another powerful habit that fluent speakers use: mirror practice. Every day, stand in front of a mirror and talk in English. Don't feel shy. Your reflection is your best speaking partner. Talk about simple topics like what I did today, my goals for tomorrow, why I want to improve my English. When you speak to yourself in the mirror, you train your confidence, your body language, and your expressions all at once. Fluent speakers don't wait for an audience. They create one. And this small daily habit makes them comfortable speaking naturally. Chapter 5. The Power of Micro-Habits. Now let's talk about something called micro-habits. Fluency doesn't come in a day, but small, consistent habits make a big difference over time. Here are a few examples. Read something in English for 5 minutes daily. Learn 5 new words every day. Write a short journal or note in English. Listen to an English podcast while walking. These micro-habits might seem small, but together they create powerful long-term results. Fluent speakers don't rely on motivation. They rely on micro-habits that keep them moving forward. So, make English part of your lifestyle, just like seasoning in food, a little bit everywhere. Chapter 6. Don't fear mistakes. Embrace them. One major difference between fluent and non-fluent speakers is simple. Fluent speakers are not afraid of making mistakes. They know perfection is not the goal. Communication is. When they speak, they don't worry about grammar too much. They focus on expressing their ideas clearly. Many learners know all the grammar rules, but they can't speak because they're afraid of being wrong. Remember, you can't improve what you never try. Mistakes are not signs of weakness. They're signs of progress. Every mistake you make brings you one step closer to fluency. So speak with confidence, even if you're not perfect. Chapter 7. Surround yourself with English. If you want English to feel natural, you need to surround yourself with it. Change your phone's language to English. Watch English movies or shows with subtitles. Listen to English music or audiobooks. Make English your daily environment. This constant exposure trains your brain to think in English automatically, without even trying. Fluency grows quietly when you're surrounded by the language every day. Chapter 8. Start before you feel ready. Here's the golden rule fluent speakers live by. They start before they feel ready. They don't wait for confidence to appear. They build it. They don't say, "I'll speak when I'm good enough." They say, "I'll get good because I speak." Confidence comes from action, not from waiting. So, promise yourself today, that from this very moment, you'll start speaking English every single day, no matter your level. Even if it's simple sentences, even if you make mistakes, just speak. That's the secret habit that makes people truly fluent. So, my friends, now you know. Fluency isn't a mystery. It's a habit. Shadowing, mirror practice, and micro habits, these three pillars can completely transform your English. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fluent English Secrets. I'm John, and remember, don't just learn English, live English. See you in the next episode. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep shining.